The hydrosphere is the term used to describe all the water on Earth in any form. A planet's hydrosphere can be liquid, vapor, or ice. The hydrosphere comprises water that is on the surface of the planet, underground, and in the air. It includes oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, glaciers, ice caps, snow, groundwater, clouds, and water vapor. The hydrosphere covers about 71% of the Earth's surface and contains about 97% of the Earth's water. Some of the factors that affect the hydrosphere are precipitation, evaporation, transpiration, runoff, infiltration, percolation, melting, freezing, erosion, sedimentation, pollution, and climate change. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. It involves processes such as evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. The water cycle is essential for maintaining the climate, weather, and life on Earth. The water cycle is a closed system, meaning that the amount of water on Earth remains constant. However, the distribution and quality of water can vary depending on human activities and natural factors. For example, deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture can affect the rate of evaporation and runoff, as well as the amount of pollutants in the water. Climate change can also alter the water cycle by changing the patterns of precipitation and temperature, leading to more droughts or floods in this different regions. The water cycle is a complex dynamic phenomenon that affects every aspect of our life. The water cycle Earth has a sophisticated water management system. However, some other planets and moons in solar system also have water in different forms. Other planets in the solar system have limited amount of water than Earth, and mostly in frozen or gaseous form. For example, Mars has a thin atmosphere that contains some water vapor. Venus has a very thick atmosphere that contains traces of water vapor. Jupiter has a massive atmosphere that contains some water vapor. Saturn has a ring system that consists of particles and dust. Uranus has a thin atmosphere that contains some water vapor. The hydrosphere is essential for various reasons, such as it is one of the basic needs of human and other living organisms. Without water, life wouldn't be possible on Earth. It is part of every living cell. It is the habitat for many aquatic plants and animals. It regulates the climate and weather. It shapes the Earth's surface. The hydrosphere also supports many ecosystems, such as coral reefs, mangroves, wetlands, and estuaries that provide various ecological services such as food production, water purification, carbon sequestration, and biodiversity conservation. The hydrosphere is a vital component of the Earth system that supports life and influences major aspects of this planet. How come there is a sophisticated system like water cycle? Can you imagine your house to have pipes, water tanks, and taps without proper planning and arrangements?